case study with us, and we'll quickly take 2 minutes to cover that case study as well. How TextExpander actually scaled their Snowflake stack with Hevo. So, interestingly, they were facing a couple of challenges before, which was like they're scaling analytics with a team of one. And I think we all have been there at some point of time where the resources are very scarce, and we have to still make sure that you get the best use of your data. Also, slow data processing, manual data access blocking most of the teams, and I think that is also one of the biggest blockers that we see while building a data stack. And also lost reliability and trust across as the volume grew, because if everything is just siloed amongst in sheets, maybe a SQL or something like that, it's very hard to actually rely on one single source of truth. So what they did was, this is what their stack looked like towards the end. So Sheets, Mongo, Mixpanel, and whatnot. They had a lot of sources that they combined together through Hevo and then sent it to Snowflake. They were also a SaaS company which do like automation of team communication and typing. So this is what the outcomes that they were able to drive from. Their 95% of data engineering work became self-serve, and I think that speaks volume. If you have to only do the 5% of the real work, that means it's a big win for them. Uh, the time to new request and to deliver new request dropped down to 15 minutes. So they were actually saving 20 to 25 hours per week on like data management, pipeline management, and whatnot. And they were actually 100% ready, analytics ready in their Snowflake. So these are just a few outcomes that you all can also get yourself as well.